Have you ever wondered how big companies grow so fast? Or how everyday people multiply their money by investing in the stock market? The answer lies in one key idea: stocks. But wait, before you think this is too hard or only for financial experts, I'm going to explain it simply, step by step, so you understand what stocks are, how they work, and how they can benefit you. I'll give you practical examples and some important tips to get started. Ready? Let's begin. What are stocks? Let's start with the basics. A stock is literally a small piece of a company. Imagine a company is like a pizza. If the pizza is divided into 10 slices, each slice is a share. When you buy a share, you become an owner of a small piece of that company. If the company grows and is successful, your piece, your share, is also worth more. And if the company distributes its profits, you receive a portion in the form of dividends. Interesting, right? Now that you know what stocks are, let's see why companies create them. Why do companies issue stock? Companies need money to grow. Maybe they want to open new stores, launch a new product, or expand to other countries. But they don't always have that money, so they have two options. First, take out a bank loan, which means going into debt. Or second, sell stock to get money from investors without going into debt. Most choose the second option because it's less risky. For example, when Amazon started, it needed money to grow. Jeff Bezos sold shares of his company. This way, more people could invest. Amazon grew, and now the original shares are worth much more money. But what happens when you buy a share? How do stocks work for investors? When you buy stock, you're betting that the company will be successful. There are two ways to make money with stocks. The stock price goes up. If you buy a share for $50 and then it's worth $100, you've doubled your money. Dividends. Some companies, like Coca-Cola, distribute part of their profits to shareholders. It's like receiving a check for owning a part of the company. Important. Not all companies pay dividends, and not all stocks go up in price. Do your research before investing. Now let's look at the different types of stocks. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks. Common stock, the most common type. They allow you to vote on company decisions like electing directors. Preferred stock, you can't vote, but you have priority when receiving dividends. You're among the first to receive your share if the company distributes profits. Example, if you buy Apple stock, it will likely be common stock. If you invest in a small company looking for trusted investors, you might find preferred stock. We've seen what stocks are and how they work, but how can you start investing? I'll tell you now. How to start investing in stocks. Starting to invest is easier than it seems. A simple plan. Open an account with a brokerage firm or investment platform. There are many platforms like eToro or Robinhood or Interactive Brokers that let you start with a little money. Decide on your budget. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Research companies. Look at their financial reports, their business model, and their stability in the market. Diversify your portfolio. Don't invest all your money in a single stock. It's like forming a team. You need different players for different positions. Let's talk about the risks and how to reduce them. Risks and how to manage them. Investing in stocks is not a game. There are risks, such as volatility. Stock prices can go up and down quickly. Bankruptcy. If a company goes bankrupt, you can lose your money. Lack of liquidity. Sometimes it's hard to sell stocks when you need the money. How to minimize these risks? Stay informed, invest for the long term, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. Patience has its rewards in the market. Finally, an important thought. Investing in stocks is a powerful tool to make your money grow and achieve your goals. There are risks, but with information and strategy, it can be fundamental to your future. It's your turn. Take the first step into a world of possibilities. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this. Share this video with anyone who wants to learn about investing. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss content like this. Share this video with someone who wants to learn about investing. See you in the next video.